Hey guys, what's going on? It's Anthony here, and in today's video, we're going to be flying the Mavic Mini inside of my house. We're going to see how well it works. Before we get started, I want to give a quick shout out to TubeBuddy. TubeBuddy is a YouTube SEO tool that helps you grow your channel using tags, titles, thumbnails. It's an amazing tool and it's what I've been using to grow this YouTube channel. So definitely check out my link in the description below. And by clicking on it, you'll learn more information and even get a free trial. If you guys have any questions, leave me a comment in the comment section below, but let's get into the actual topic of the video. So with the Mavic Mini 2 Fly More kit, you get 2 prop guards. These prop guards will allow you to basically fly the drone safely in the house. So if the drone hits a wall or any sort of object, it's kind of like a bumper car. It might bounce off of it. Now, it doesn't mean that the drone can't crash, but it does mean that you can fly a lot safer inside of the house. So let's pop these onto the Mavic Mini and fly. Okay guys, so I just got the prop guards on. Here's what your drone will look like when it's on. And as you can see here, it definitely provides a lot of space for the propellers to spin, but it also provides protection for your drone. It looks like even the top is protected, so say your drone did something like this, it would protect it, I guess. So that's good. Maybe it wouldn't hit your face, I don't know, but it is pretty cool that these are there. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna bring the drone over to the living room over here. I'm gonna put my camera somewhere over here so that we get a full view. And I'm just gonna fly around the house and we'll see how it goes. So I'm gonna go put the drone over there. Okay guys, so I'm gonna set the drone down right here. I've got the remote over here. I'm gonna open up the DJI Fly app. So let's get that going. So guys, I'm getting this message that says that the aircraft is overheating. This is another frustration I have with the Mavic Mini, is that when I'm trying to make videos or trying to fly it, I have to stop because the drone overheats. So I'll be right back. I'm gonna turn it off, let it cool down for like 2 minutes, and then we'll get started again. Okay guys, so I waited a few minutes and the drone is still feeling really hot. I don't understand all the issues with this drone. Maybe I got a defected unit, but it's got connection problems, it overheats, I don't know. I'm kind of doubtful that this is actually a good drone, and it's making me reconsider whether I should pick up the Mavic Mini 2. It really is, but I probably still will, so don't get me wrong, I probably will still pick it up. I'm just like, really guys? Like, the drone overheats, it has horrible range, I don't know, I could just complain about it all day. So hopefully, you know, we can get it lifted off the ground for this video. I am going to start everything back up. So I just started the controller, now I'm gonna start the drone. All right, it's starting up. Put it back on the ground, and let's see if we can take off. Awesome, so we got it started. We don't have that overheating warning. Okay guys, so we're recording here on the camera and we're recording down here on the drone. I'm gonna take off now, so let's see if this drone can fly in the house. Definitely kicking the dust around. Okay guys, so now I've got it in the other room. It looks like I've startled my dog, my poor old dog Daisy. Hi Daisy, I'm sorry about that. She's like looking at me like, really? Are you kidding me? Yeah, but it definitely flies in the house. It's got a pretty good connection. Fly it back in here. Oh, I bumped into the wall and those top guards work. So guys, there it is, flying in the house really easily. And I'm actually gonna bump it into the wall so that you guys can see, because I don't know if you saw it bump into the wall. It was like kind of around the corner there. So if I bring it up here and I push it over here, boom, hit the wall. As you can see, it didn't crash. If I lightly hit the picture, boom, as you can see, it doesn't crash. Oh, gotcha. Okay guys, so there you go right there. That's a little demo of the Mavic Mini flying inside of the house. So I just want to say it works great. I didn't have any connection issues. It was awesome. Like, the prop cards really did work. As you can see, I hit the wall there. I also hit the wall over here, and I even hit this picture, and the drone didn't crash. So you can really fly inside of your house with this drone, and it's so lightweight that honestly, even if you did hit something, it probably wouldn't affect anything. So that's my demo on flying the Mavic Mini inside of your house. It is possible to do. Just make sure you use these prop guards. If you don't have the Fly More kit, I'm sure you can purchase these prop guards on DJI's website. I definitely recommend them for flying indoors. Honestly, after flying this drone indoors the way that I just did, I could see it being used for real estate with a 4K camera. I could definitely see this being used as a professional drone inside of a house, just based off of the prop guards, the stability of the drone, getting really good shots if it did have a 4K camera. And if you enjoyed today's video, please smash that subscribe button and hit the notification bell so that you're updated when I create new videos. And also give this video a thumbs up so that it ranks higher in the algorithm. Thank you guys so much for watching my indoor demo of the Mavic Mini 2. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.